Hi Bayezid, how are you?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm doing well. What are you doing?
I'm reading an English book.
Why are you reading it? You can read Abang novel instead of it.
Most probably you don't know about the importance of learning English at this present age. That's why you are telling me so.
Sorry, would you please explain it to me?
Well, English is an international language. In every sphere of life, we need to learn English.
Oh, I see.
Also, English is the easiest way to communicate with world's people. It is very helpful for higher education because most of the books of higher education are written in English.
Really?
Yes, English is also very helpful to get a good job. If you have a good knowledge of English, you will be able to express yourself and understand the people of the world.
But learning English seems to me very difficult.
You are right, but the traditional method of learning English won't make you fluent in English.
Then how do you learn English?
Actually, I don't follow the translation method. I learn English like my native language Bangla. In addition, I take it as a new language, not as a second language.
Can you tell me more?
Alright, I learn an English word based on situation and try to use it in different sentences with various contexts.
Do you follow any other activities?
Yes, I read books and I watch English movies.
How do you practice spoken English?
I practice spoken English with my friends, Google Assistant, and through self-talk.
Do you go to any English language club?
Yes, I do.
Thanks a lot.
You are most welcome.
See you later.
Goodbye.